Hey there, YouTube. Welcome back to Atlantic City. Today, we're going back to 1996. And one of the most important albums of the 90s. An album by a group called Soul Coughing, called Irresistible Bliss. Certainly one of the most important albums of the decade. A real genre-splitting record.
Everything is going out. Everything is going as planned, yeah. Everything moves along. Everything is fine, fine, fine. Well, I could be condemned to hell for every sin but little rag. Well, I could slip on East River and crash into Queens or Skid-a-rag. And I've seen the cops and the robbers, and I know they dance the same well. I've seen a half a zillion girls and haven't spoken to a single one of them. Everything is going up. Everything is going as planned, yeah. Everything moves along. Everything is fine, fine, fine. Batting in the light. My red-dilated eyes. And all the strong end-to-end is wider than the mind. I've been playing, I have been playing too long. And my capacities are dwindling, so they're gone, gone, gone. And I said, everything is going off. Everything is going as planned, yeah. Everything moves along. Everything is fine, fine, fine. Baby, can I change my mind? I just wanna change my mind. Baby, can I change my mind? I just wanna change my mind. Everything's going out. Everything's going as planned, yeah. Everything moves along. Everything is fine, fine, fine. 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 Fine, fine, fine. Fine, fine, fine. Fine, fine, fine.
Dude.
Fine, fine, fine.
That was the Idiot Kings.
Fine, fine.
And the best rhythm section of the decade. Yuval Cabello on drums and Sebastian Steinberg on bass. Untouchable.
Is you am a dog? Is you got a dog? Is you am a dog? A hole close the jaw.
How many
Is
cans?
you am a dog? Is you got a dog? Is you am a dog? How many cans must I stack up to wash you out from my mind, out of my consciousness. How many times must I cash out to bring you back the check pad off of my slenderness? She says, yeah, but he's not in right now. You pause, you like their answer. You know that, but you go on. You know, but that you go on. You know that, but you go on. You know, but that you go on. You know that, but you go on. You know, but that you go on. How many cans must I stack up to wash you out from my mind, out of my consciousness? How many times must I cash out to bring you back the check pad off of my slenderness? You know, but that you go on. You know that, but you go on. You know, but that you go on. You know that, but you go on. You know, but that you go on. You know, but that you go on. How many cans must I stack up to wash you out from my mind, out of my consciousness? How many times must I cash out to bring you back the check pad off of my slenderness? How many cans must I stack up to wash you out from my mind, out of my consciousness? How many times must I cash out to bring you back the check pad off of my slenderness? Slenderness, slenderness, fire. Slenderness, 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 fire. Slenderness, 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 fire. Is you where my dog? Is you got a dog? Is you where my dog? Oh, close the jar. Is you where my dog? Is you got a dog? Is you where my dog? Oh, close the jar. 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 Oh, close the jar.
And all those effects that you're hearing in the background are all being produced by the keyboard player, but he's doing it analog, old school, on tapes and carts. Oh, guy's a killer. And this is Paint.
Gotta
That was Soul Coughing from their Irresistible Bliss album, their second major release. As I was saying before, one of the most important bands of the 90s. Defied genre, a completely original sound, and just left... they left 3 really good albums behind before the band broke up. And, yeah, it's a shame, but I guess, you know, maybe you just can't keep everything together for forever. But while they were together, they were as good as it comes. That's for sure. They were as good as it comes. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that a little bit today, and I'll see you all soon back up on the boardwalk. Be good, YouTube.